your ultimate kids learning destination. Hey there, little brainiacs! Welcome to KOOL Creative Mingle. Today, story topic is Milo's Magical Pool Adventure.
Once upon a time, in a lush tropical jungle, there lived a baby monkey named Milo. Milo was known for his boundless energy and curious nature. One sunny afternoon, Milo discovered a small blue pool hidden between the dense foliage of the jungle. The pool was crystal clear, reflecting the vibrant colors of the tropical paradise around it. The little monkey was overjoyed. He had never seen so much water in one place before, and his eyes twinkled with excitement. Milo approached the edge carefully, peering into the water to see his reflection staring back at him. Unable to resist the allure of this newfound playground, Milo jumped in with a splash, sending ripples across the surface. The pool was much more than just a place to cool off. It was filled with colorful toys, floating on the water like little islands. There were bright red rubber ducks, a green crocodile, blue and yellow floating rings, and even a small toy boat with a little sailor inside. All these toys were scattered around the pool, waiting for someone to join in the fun. Milo, being a playful and curious creature, quickly began exploring the toys. He pushed the rubber ducks across the water, sending them sailing like tiny ships on a grand voyage. The green crocodile intrigued him the most. He tried riding on its back, imagining himself as a great adventurer riding a fearsome beast. As Milo played, he would occasionally dive below the surface, his tiny hands grabbing at the sparkles of sunlight that danced through the water. Each lap he swam around the pool filled him with joy. The floating rings became Milo's hoops, and he discovered the game of swimming through them, challenging himself with each pass. Time seemed to stand still as Milo enjoyed his watery adventure. The sound of his playful chittering and the gentle splashing blended harmoniously with the sounds of the jungle. Birds chirped in the trees above, and the leaves rustled in the gentle breeze as if cheering him on. Eventually, as the sun began to set, casting a warm glow over the jungle, Milo's energy started to wane. Satisfied and happy, he climbed out of the pool, water dripping from his furry coat. He took one last look at the pool, now calm and still, remembering the delightful day he had. Milo realized that he had discovered more than just a pool. He had found a magical place of endless fun and new experiences. As he scampered back to his treetop home, he knew that he would return to the pool the next day for another adventure, for a little monkey's heart is always in search of the next playful dream.
Thanks for watching! Please don't forget to like, share with your friends, and subscribe to stay updated on all my latest videos. Thanks for being part of our community.